It's Friday. Again, it's happened. I hope you've been keeping track of the days. We're here on Friday. Let's go through our warm-up. So we have a 5-minute warm-up here where we're going bike, run, row. If you're in a Zoom class, we're doing mountain climbers, okay? And then 5 plank to down dog plus 5 scat push-ups, okay? So not a full push-up, just scapular push-ups, arms stay straight. Into a 20-second hollow hold. Okay, just holding that hollow hold. We've been doing a lot of core work this week. I hope you've been following along. You're gonna have abs and buns of steel by the time you get back to the gym. It's gonna be fantastic, okay? So, not much to this, just follow along, okay? Let's see what we got for our workout. All right, here we are with our workout. We have another EMOM this week. Let's go over this 15 minutes. So 5 rounds essentially, minute 1, 2, 3. We're going minute 1, 50-second of run, bike, row, jump rope if you have them, or toe taps if you're doing one of the Zoom classes and you can't run or the weather's bad. All right, minute 2, max push-ups. Now give yourself about 10 seconds, 5 seconds to transition to the next section. This is gonna feel fantastic on round 1. You're gonna blow this out of the water. Yeah, by the time we get to round 5, your arms might fall off, okay? So it's okay to get in as many as you want on the first round, but then just kind of bring it down a notch for the subsequent rounds, okay? So, and then max hollow holds or hollow rocks, okay? So you can do a hold or the rocks. You're just gonna keep going. Again, you're probably just gonna go for 50 seconds. Your recovery is gonna be minute 1. You're probably gonna need that after the first round just to, let your muscles recover a little bit, all right? So essentially this is cardio, upper body and abs, fantastic upper body workout throughout. And score is total push-ups plus hollow rocks, okay? So you wanna keep track of those numbers so you know exactly what you're doing and get a little competitive, post it into Wodify, let people know you're a push-up machine or a hollow rock machine, okay? Let's see, we got an optional finisher after this. Let's go through that now. All right, for our finisher today, it's kind of a choose your own adventure if you're going from home. If you're in one of the Zoom classes, you'll just be following along what the coach is prescribing for you. Okay, so this is kind of like coach's choice for the Zoom classes, but it's 3 to 5 minutes of mobility work. We're really gonna try and stretch out after here. We had a long week this week, and here we are, we're gonna try and open the body back up. So some examples: moose antlers, bottom of a squat hold, calf raises, dead bugs. So you're gonna just work on the mobility. Now, I always suggest, like, if you're working out from home and you don't know what to do, there is a great app called GoWOD, G-O-W-O-D. Check that one out. That will bring you through 3 to 5 minutes of mobility, no problem. There is a free trial for that. It is a paid app, but we highly suggest people use that app for at-home mobility, okay? If not, if you're on Zoom, you're gonna just follow along with the coach, all right? So hope you had a great week this week, and we're gonna get into our movement demos. Have a great weekend.